Click on the subscribe button and press the bell. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to scan and convert documents into PDF file in Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to Play Store and download this application. Install this application, clear scan, and after you have installed it, open it. Now tap on camera icon to scan, or you can also bring a document from gallery also by clicking on this image icon. So now I am going to show you how you can scan using this application. Click on camera icon and now flash your camera on the top of the document, and when the alignment is done, tap on the center here to capture the image. So you can see here the edge is detected by automatically. You can adjust the edge also by selecting this green lines manually. When the adjustment is done, tap on tick mark. You can see here now my documents has been converted into scan image. Now tap on tick mark again, and to save this document into PDF, tap on more, tap on save to storage. Now tap on save to storage again, and now your documents has been saved into your storage. So let me show you. So this is the image which I have converted into PDF file. So let's open it. So you can see here its image has been saved into PDF file. So by using this scanner application, you can scan and save your PDF file easily. So if you are finding this application useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and thanks for watching my video.